Well, good afternoon. This is Steve Jones. It's about 3:10 p.m. on July 30th, 2026. This is Nita's view here on Graham Farm and Nature Center. Warm, clear afternoon. And I stopped here to run this video because this Osage orange fruit caught my eye. A big green, probably nearly softball size. And right here in front of us are three of the fruits, and there are more up in the tree. It's wood that Native Americans made bows out of. It's just a tough wood that behaves itself very well for that particular use.